Step 2, came to believe a power greater than ourselves could restore us to sanity. In step 2, we're faced with the proposition that in order to offset personal powerlessness, which we admitted in step 1, the solution to that would be to tap into a power greater than ourselves, or if you will, a higher power. The question would be, where and how do we find this power? Well, in the 12-step philosophy, in the original 12-step writing, it is suggested that we will find this power deep down inside us all. The problem is it's been covered up by years of calamity, worship of other things, so we will feel that it's not there. But in step 2, we are just asked to look at the possibility that a higher power is going to become necessary if we're going to conquer personal powerlessness. And this is the first time for many of us that we have thought about this issue in many years. Many of us take it piecemeal and realize the very wording of step 2, came to believe, implies it's something that can be done over time. And in the beginning, you operate on hope. And at the end of this process, that will turn into belief. It is said the consciousness of your belief is sure to come to you if you will follow up with the appropriate actions.